Hi guys, there have been lots of questions from you all about Rose's kitchen, and I want to tell you all about it, how I built it and how I adjusted it so she can use it. So let's start with the main piece here. This is actually a play kitchen from IKEA that I have converted into a functional kitchen. So what that means is I've removed some of the elements that are not functional, like the fake faucet and the burners on here, and instead I've replaced them with, for example, this bamboo board up here. I used a Velcro that's a dual lock Velcro on top so that it's very stable and it just locks very easily, and you can remove the board and clean it whenever you want. And over here where the fake faucet was, we just attached a water pump that runs on a battery, and you can charge it with a USB. It's super cool. I'll leave all the links to the products on Amazon, as well as any other products. So the way the water pump works is it goes back here into a big jar of water, and then next to it I have another big jar that's empty with a funnel that collects the water. So when the water runs, it collects into the sink, but I drilled holes on the bottom so that the water actually drains through. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So in this little compartment here, I keep her spoons and forks, little cups. Of course, I'll leave links for all of these products. Over here, I have a water dispenser, also from Amazon, and I bought an additional, thank you, love. I bought an additional plastic spigot. I find it more convenient to use than the metal one. And it's just really cool for Rose to pour her own water, gives her a lot of independence if she's thirsty. And it sits on this cube that I got from the Container Store. I also got the basket from there. It's a super cute cube, and we store other things in here, like her cleaning supplies. For example, little brush that she uses for cleaning. And she really enjoys cleaning. Table, chairs, even the windows. These chairs and tables are from Sprout Kids. I love Sprout Kids. They have lots of really nice furniture for kids, all Montessori inspired. And the little placemat is actually just printed out. I got it from Etsy. Just Google placemat Montessori printable, and I laminated it and I taped it to the table so it doesn't get pushed around. And the last thing we have here is her little garbage can. She now can step on it and open it with her foot, but when she was little, she couldn't, so we put a little hook on here so she can actually lift it up with her hand. All right, so that's it, guys. That's all about this kitchen. It's really great to give kids a way to practice functional life. And this is all Montessori inspired. There's lots of groups out there that you can check out, and that's where I picked up most of the information about how to build this kitchen. Yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment below and check out the links in the description box. Rose?